I'm giving suppose 3, 4. Then 3, 4. How much? 3 power 4, right? 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is the 81. Next one, let's take print of m dot of 5 power, m dot power of 4 power 5, like this. Then multiply 4, how many times? 5 times. Then how much output? It gives very fast. How much? 10, 24. Take there. What definition? It returns the power value. For the same purpose, in Python operators, an operator is there. What is the operator? For same purpose, to find the power value, in Python operators, an operator is there. Exponent, right? Exponent. You can see the same one I can take here. Print of first one 3 exponent 4. The second one is print of 4 exponent 5, right? You get the same value. But here just extra fraction value coming 0.0, no value. So these are the some of the functions required from the math model. What of things are there? Sine functions, cos or tan. Okay, like that. Next one, let's go for the datetime module. Which module? What's module name? Datetime. Okay, datetime module, guys. Datetime module. We go with now. Okay, import date time as I take the dt as dt as a dt. In the datetime module, there are some main functions like date function, time function, datetime function. Okay, so dt is the module name. Dot date of date, right? So this date argument, this date function allows 3 arguments. 3 arguments. The date have 3 parts, right? Year, month, and the day. Okay. So first give the year number. Suppose 2022. I am giving the 4. I am giving, for example, 18. If you give 3 numbers, based on 3 numbers, it will display in the date format. As per the 3 numbers, display the date format. Okay. I given 3. What's first one? Year. Second one, month and the day, right? So take one variable, suppose date variable. I take the print of, we take the print of what? Print of date 1. So on this one, you can see date format, right? Date format, guys. What's first one? Year. Second one, month. Third one, day. So year number, there's no limit starting from 4 zeros. 3 zeros, 1, 2, like that, and you can give any number. But the month number limit is there. 1 to 12 only. 1 to 12. The days also, it can be 1 to 31 only. Depends upon the month. Some what will be 28 or 30, 31. But maximum 31 only. Right? For example, if I give here 40 like this, I am giving 40, it will throw error. The day range from so and so like this. The day is out of range for the month. Means for this month, this is the out of range date. What's the month here? For April month, this is the out of range. I am taking out 30. Now, in April, 30 is there in this place. For same, if I take the, suppose 2 again. If I take the 2 means which month? Again displays out of range. For this month, out of range day. Which month? For the month means for the specified month 2. If I take the one again, again no problem, right? Because January we have the 31 days, 30 not a problem. Now I am giving suppose 13. I am giving 13. It's the year, right? Month. Displays the month should be 1 to 12 only. The month must be 1 to 12. 1 to 12. For example, I am giving here. I am giving 12, and I am giving 12. Sorry. I am giving here also 12. I am giving here also 12. Right? So if you give all 12, then no confusion for interpreter. It takes first one year. It takes 0012 year. 4-digit number, it adds 2 zeros before. And the 12th month, 12th day, right? See here, like this. Year and day and the month. Perfect. So date function allows 3 arguments. The first one must be year, then month and the day. So it displays the date format. Now the date variable, the date, what is there now? What is there here? 3 arguments are there, right? I just give the normally 22, then 0. Which one? Suppose 4 I am giving and I am giving the 17, right? Now, so it's fine. Now from now date is there. From the existing date, I want fetch only year part. I want fetch only year part. And I want fetch only month part. Now date is there. In this date one variable, what is there now? Date is there as per the given numbers. Now from this date, I don't want display all. I don't want display the full data. I want display which one? Only the year. So we can take now, we can take here dot year means from the date one. From the date one, I want fetch only year. Fetch only year. The only year will come again. So first date creation over. From the date I'm fetching again part by part. Right? We can fetch the full date, or I can fetch which one now? The month also possible. Only month I want fetch. I want fetch only month, or you can fetch which one? Only the day also. I take the first one now, full date format. First full date coming, then year only, then month, then day coming here. All of right. So what's function name? Date function. Take the module name. Datetime module. Datetime, right? Datetime module. Datetime module. What's first function name? Date function. The first function name is date. Data of year, comma, month, day, like this. Right there. It allows 3 arguments. It allows 3 arguments. It allows 3 arguments like year, month, and day. It allows 3 arguments like year, month, day, and it returns the date format, and it returns the date format of the given arguments of the given arguments. Right, you can take this one. Right. Next one. Next one. Time. Now all of observe. So dt dot time of. In the time, how many arguments are there? In case of date, year, month, day. In the time, first hours. Let's take the for example 7 hours. Then minutes. Suppose 43 minutes. Then seconds. Some 20 seconds and below seconds. What is there? Milliseconds. Some 6-digit number. Okay. As for this one, I want get that time. I want get that time. Now observe here. So print of time. For example, okay, print of time. You can see now. All of you. So hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. Okay. Again from this one, you can fetch the only the hour or minute, right? For example, this is the giving full time. Full time, okay. I want only hours. H-O-2 hours, right? Hours. Now only hour, right? 7 hours. Then next one, minute, right? Okay, 43 minutes. As for that one, 43 minutes. Next, so seconds, and then what last one? Milli micro. I think micros, right? Microseconds. Okay, it is one time function. Time of what syntax? Time of first one hour, then so minute, then second, microsecond. Right there. It allows 4 arguments. It allows 4 arguments. It allows 4 arguments. 4 arguments. Like what are the names? Hour, minute, second, it allows 4 arguments, right? Hour, minute, second, microsecond, and returns the time format. At this one. Or right. The next one is, so you have seen now data and the time. In the date, how many arguments are there? 3. In the time, 4. Totally 7, right? Now dt dot date time function is there again. We have seen just now date function, time function. Now date time is there. And how many required now date time? 7 required. Date arguments plus time arguments. Okay. I am giving suppose first date, right? Year, then month and day. Next one hours, then minutes, seconds, and some microseconds like this. Full date time, right? Into a variable, suppose again take the dt1 date time 1 guys. I'm taking now date time 1. Now just observe here, print of date time dt1. You can see now. You can see you got all in the date time format, right? Here also all arguments are there. In fact, separately data, separately time. Okay. Here all you can fetch, right? So take the function name meanwhile. So can you fetch separately year, like a month or day or minutes, like previous we have seen, right? Date time function. Date time function. Date time function. Date time of first one year, then month, then day or minute, second, microsecond. Or right. It allows the arguments of date and time. It allows the arguments of date and time and returns the full date time. Returns the full date time. The full date time. I'll just take this one.